Nathaniel Bentley, and I'm going to show you how to make a tie. First, you take the tie, put it on, make the big part bigger than the little part, just slightly. Then, you take the big part and wrap it around the little part. Then you hold it with your left hand. Then you go over with the big tie. Then you carefully put your right hand on it. Now you take the big tie and put it in that little hoop right here. Then